If you're starting from zero, the first goal isn't picking stocks. It's reaching your first $10,000 with a simple plan you can follow consistently, even with a normal salary. In this video, we'll build a realistic roadmap, a starter emergency fund, smarter saving habits, paying down expensive debt, and then investing in low-cost index funds. No hype, just steps that work. Step 1 is knowing your number. Add 1 month of essentials: rent, food, transport, utilities, insurance, and minimum debt payments. This tells you what stable actually costs you each month. Your first milestone is a 1-month buffer. Once that's done, aim for 3 to 6 months. Depending on how predictable your income is, keep this money liquid, not in volatile investments. Use a high-yield savings account or a money market fund for your emergency cash. The job is safety and quick access, not big returns. Stocks and crypto can drop exactly when you need money. Step 2. Automate saving. Set an automatic transfer right after payday, even if it's only 1% at first. Automation beats motivation, because you don't rely on willpower every month. To find extra cash, plug 3 quiet leaks: unused subscriptions, delivery fees, and impulse online buys. Review your last 30 days of transactions and cancel or cap anything that doesn't truly add value. If you can, boost income too. Negotiate pay. Pick up a weekend shift, freelance a skill, or sell unused items monthly. Small increases shorten the time to $10,000 without extreme cutbacks. Step 3 is high-interest debt. If a balance costs 10 to 20%, paying it down is a guaranteed return. After a 1-month buffer, prioritize expensive debt before investing. Now keep investing simple. Choose a diversified, low-cost index fund or ETF that tracks the broad market, not one company. If you have tax-advantaged retirement accounts, start there first today. Invest monthly using dollar cost averaging. You'll buy more shares when prices are down and fewer when prices are up. Watch these closely. A 1% annual fee can eat decades of growth. Finally, manage behavior. Don't panic sell after scary headlines. Track milestones: 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. Saving $300 a month reaches $10,000 in about 33 months. Comment your goal: education, not advice.